Alright, we're going to cut right to the chase. Get you a lawnmower tire, come slap off the rim. I'm going to show you a 5-minute way to put that sucker back on where you don't have to go to a tire shop and fix it.
Daddy, I want to go on the lawnmower.
Yeah, we're fixing to fix this tire. I'm going to show everybody how to fix it.
Why?
Because this is one of those moments where you say, man, why didn't I think of that? Alright, don't put too much air in it, because when you release the ratchet, the thing will pop like a rocket. That's it. Back on the rim. Y'all welcome.